Welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular video, I'll be discussing a topic of form in MS Excel using macro. So we can use form to insert data. Here is the form button in my quick access toolbar. We can add any data, new, A, new, it is being inserted, find previous, we can edit, oblique, add, it is new. So this form button doesn't appear on the quick access toolbar by default. We have to click on this downward arrow and then we have to go to more command section. From there, popular command to all commands, and click on any of the options and keep pressing F until form appears. So here is the form, simply add. Since I have already added form, I need to first remove it, and if I want to add it again, add. That's how form is added. Now what if I want the data to be inserted in this way, that whenever I am clicking on this, all of this, I mean this, and I will be clicking on add data, that particular data will be inserted in here. Again I will be adding another data and that would be inserted. So let me just click on it and then delete this particular button and delete this data as well. Let me clear out the formatting. How to do so, I will be showing you. So clear all, fine. So what you need to do is that you need to create the labels for that is the column label, and you need to create a table down here where the data would be inserted. Write the first data, go to the developer tab and then record macro, give it a name, logical name, so that whenever there are several macros, you can point it out easily that which macro you have, I mean what is, by the name you can easily guess what is the working methodology of the particular macro. So I have given it a name of add and then hit OK. So my recording has started. So what I will be doing is that first of all I will be selecting the first row and then go to right click and then insert, shift cells down. After that, let me click on this data, Control C, select these cells and home. From the paste drop down, go to paste special section. Since the data is present vertically, using the transpose option would change it to horizontally. Now select the data, from the keyboard click delete, done. Now in the developer tab section I can easily go for the stop recording option. Now in the insert section I will be adding a shape. So this is a shape, and you can select any color, maybe green, and give some name to it. Add data, select it and press Ctrl E from the keyboard, or you can go to the home section and under the alignment group there are alignment options for the text. Okay, fine. So now what I'll be doing is that I need to assign the macro. So right click, assign macro, I give it a name of add. Let's click on add and then hit on OK. Now let me click on some data, maybe Pankaj Tripathi. Okay, Pankaj Tripathi, and he has enrolled himself for a course of DTP, and his room number is 2B, and his shift is noon, and the fees he has to pay is 4237. Then click on add data, voila, Pankaj Tripathi, the data has been added. Again if we click on any data, so Rohit Verma, and his course name is web design, and his room is 4C, and shift is evening, and he has to pay a fees of 82332. Now if I click on add data, the data is being added. So that's all for this particular video on using the macro. And if you want to delete this particular macro, go to developers section and then go to macros. Now if I click on this add and then go to just click on delete, Now if I add any data, maybe S, and then click on add data, nothing would happen because there is no macro assigned to this particular shape. So that's all for this particular video. Thank you all guys, and see you again for some other video.